Let me guess. Your test strips say perfect, but your eyes say swamp. You followed every rule, yet here we are. The issue isn't your chemistry, it's your environment. Your pool is sick, and the cloudiness is the symptom. Today, we're making a house call to diagnose the 3 conditions your pool store won't mention. First, condition 1, acute organic overload. Think of it as a severe allergic reaction to your surroundings. Pollen and agricultural dust are invading your water, creating a milky, hazy fever. This junk consumes your chlorine with a voracious appetite. Our prescription is a 2-part therapy. First, a powerful probiotic, an enzyme treatment. These are molecular janitors programmed to digest non-living organic irritants. They take the stress off your pool's immune system, your chlorine. Second, a strong antihistamine, a phosphate remover. Phosphates are the food that makes algae bloom. This prescription starves them out completely. Next, condition 2, chronic tannin staining. This is when your water looks bruised, like weak brown tea. The cause is tannins bleeding from leaves and bark, especially from oaks and redwoods. These are dissolved molecules that your pool's kidneys, the filter, can't process. The prescription is a form of chelation therapy. We use a Chitosan clarifier. It's a polymer, often from shellfish shells, that acts like molecular handcuffs. It latches onto the tannin molecules, clumping them together so your filter can finally do its job. Finally, condition 3, particulate fever. This is a hazy cloud caused by an infection of tiny particles. Clay and silt from hillside runoff, often 10 times smaller than what your filter can handle, cause a constant fever. The prescription is a powerful sedative, a flocculant. This treatment calms the chaotic particles in the water. It forces them to group together and rest peacefully at the bottom of the pool. The next morning, you gently vacuum the resting particles away. Now, a doctor's warning. A prescription is useless without the right diagnosis. If the water's milky, it's an allergic reaction. Prescribe the probiotic and antihistamine. If it's brown, it's bruising. Prescribe the chelation therapy. If it's hazy after a storm, it's a fever. Prescribe the sedative. Stop treating the symptoms. Start curing the disease. If you're tired of misdiagnosing your pool, subscribe for more house calls. Up next, we're breaking down the top clarifiers and flocculants that actually clear your pool fast.